Komodie kese ni nyina no ekojina the Great Consolidated Diamonds Company Limited. Enye adwuma keto ase na mekan na akosi sen. Eti betwafo nyina kiro ne ahwe enete bia eye sa adwumako yi ewom enchinu aba ho ehawa aba ho ba bia adwumako yi kopiere eye akwatia no ede etemamfo no so ka na akwanye be ma ho so akwanye be ma no etiba me on krata dodo na so anu za making kan efri aban mu na efri adwumako num na efri ankrankra ho so ede ba making kan sa krata na dia ma etiena no pay Great Consolidated Diamonds Company Limited ehon komo ana EBD. I'm sure so wakwatia ene inkura hodo atwa ho ahia why krado say asem depa na ede be ene tebia no te sen wan ne hwesofo emfasode ne ko hense emfaso bi wo mu mpo a eti bibi edi adanse se esese wo ye krado na so tibiti bi Yebeko akwatia quickly na afia ni Soroni Abdullahi ono akwatia yetimene na akwatwetwe enkomo Soroni ma acha apom ti sen. Hello Soroni apom ti sen. Hello Soroni apom ti sen. Hello. Well, say onti enkai yebesa babiem. Hello Soroni apom ti sen. Okay, just some back na ni Soroni Abdullahi Owakwatia ene entwetwe nkomo Soroni macha pom ti sen.
Nyame adom na monso e.
Nyame adom boko anopension na asese wajibre se oni ebidin komo about eye adwumako ba ko a na obeka se yensi ni form na yentoto na sekra se adwuma ye ka eho asemi eye the Great Consolidated Diamonds Company Limited. Ene twamfonyini kakra ekyerɛn eho asem etisen.
Yo me dance say mama makonya say me ka ohawa wo me kromu akyerɛ amansan because adum FM the station the whole world ni na obi etie bi a obi betie ohawa ɛda akotiaman so na me da me tie for ni na ase my FM ne adum FM penifo ohawa da akotia sisi enye ahokitwa.
Okay yebeko ehaw no so.
Yeah.
Twamfonyini kyerɛ sɛde na esitie ansa na ene ehaw ne aka ho asem. Ɛho asem te sɛn.
O tamana GCD eba 19 ayi min pese mebo ye bia tama GCD ba ya gina ne nan so no. Na oba akotie kuro no so a America bonte so krampo no ntimi fa no ntoto no. Na ekura emu ode. Ekura ugidwa bia ekoso. Bia ye wo kuro ni mu bia no ekoso wo akotie kuro no so because of gold damu na ewo ho no obroni kura free amanone bakura o pese oba be he akokuro na efen akotia no because o hwe ko bebe mpenfo no te no said abrofo no tese wa ho efe no na hwe said ejuma no ekoso na a obia ho to no wo saa mere no so no na nya adeketwa mahene na ye adia kuro no so edepa that time no o the American visa ana landing visa bra akotia ni abrante be so ontu kwan kura baby so say me tu kwan akoye je because ye opewa akotia kuro no bia obenya.
I see.
Na time na ejuma no ekoso ni na kuro no so de na kuro so odepa
nti so ba kaya ebere be na ho ode no ehya ase se ehwinhwan asifom
ben 1980s mo no na start to say eba from kakra but that time kwampo no na nhyɛ da nya bad sa eboma be duru year 2000 no ena ginsem kura
the year 2000
ena
ginsem a ginsem wo kwan ben so
ginsem say Ghana no bibia de politics aban bia ba na ha say ebia na aban we na wo so na nyuma bi koso makuro we so a on to aso ma ade na de enye ye oto aso a yambon ede yan kan bon aba so beka say aban dada no na eye entino change of government by no na nyuma de ginsem edurube bi kura no na dam no krampo no na obi anto mpenifo ni bi kopo ka say bancho ho won fa so kopo chen dam ifiri ho no na edwuma na de eba fo mu kura dam kura obi ampe
edwuma no ye say ehwehwe asi fom no eye nananom a wonu akotua asase so ana ahye so ene eye omamufo a wonu wo akotia me chia de hye wonu akotia ede ahokeka ana moye
edwuma afse eba fom no yufu no nananom na mo omutu anamo ana mo di petition koma president that time president Kufuor ana oye say okay say no or the company in better divestiture now I say obenya investor papa di obabeji company no na waboa akotiamai amze oye na afamu die ama onya brunia na obabe to damo no nya kakra but na nya damo no to na na to obi obabeji company no na wasesa ne madebre because GC the assassin na da ho no the be na me ka say apart from mining no crowd when you obi obetime the assassin bi dia ya agric for the year agriculture now the big plantation no where plantation in the you from banya eduma bia den aye so you invest the property or vision your bungalows no bi wo obetimi adi baby compound dey die technically na wo baby omoda ya poultry farm ho masisi adan bi wo ha omunya nkokon ho sa adan na mori nya nkokon no manema no betimi de ho nkofa ya classroom so dey die tendom say wo betimi de ho ono betimi ya joint aya mo betimi bia nursing training bi ejuma be koso ma company na de atmasa asora gina ne nan so na nya broni ni na na de the person ba be to dam na obi investor oba ba di company na oba yiye apart from that one ko ba yiye sa no manuma na kuro be de be san gina ne nan so ntini odi bimu president Kufuor aban ko e no awura tames osusu ba ya onu gusu yakopon bono chen ye Ghana for no yakopon ye de jinin kwa Zuma former president by no so the man Zoom Lion for so omuguso odi Zoom Lion penino can say
you're Dr. Sian was now okay
you're Dr. Sian no didn't investors here there a buy no so omuguso on Ghana ejumaye sabi no so try the best no gusua eja change of government by nimo side
eti role bena eye omansin crash ne o MP ene kane Eastern Region Minister on play was anima we name
o man we bisa sam kase o bisa sam pa ne de kamen ko ade anka MP asem ne DC ministers there anka abano yan former asem to baby na aban fa ne to form no omwa because amaya de ko nti amekasa no aya asem kase
jina suma me asem kase jina suma me na men kwa homa no so quickly na me eye kanim rashi bedwani Yera Baba Jamal entry komo Baba machi apom ti say
Million mejoso
Baba say why deputy Eastern Regional Minister why beboa
yes my deputy only my first appointment
Baba,
as deputy minister
Eastern Regional Minister deputy local government, is that correct?
Yes.
And a deputy
tourism minister, deputy information minister, and then finally deputy employment and labor relations.
Wow. I see.
So I went through 5 ministers, but I am the most moved minister and most experienced minister in terms of ministries.
Nobody doubts that because ministries are going far away there. I see. Anyway, Akwaba, but the news is not healthy and pay in relation to Akwatia Diamond, no. And what's empty saying?
Oh, Miriam. Nedi kampade, ma mema eti fuachi. Na memo bi anti asese. Oma hini Akwatia Diamond semno. The person may come to a point. Beyond that point, you know, I wouldn't want to comment on that.
Adding.
Because say Uba Akwatia, nsembi koswa. And maybe Kurana Akwatia Nkosoku Boja. Mame Baba Jama me sheda ko chire in some how the whole thing started and where we are. Me ma me bia kwan so bia obi question bia me because komani Baba Jama ne besuma Akwatia sompa. Ma yemi die wi. Ne wo se me yema Akwatia man no ma yema na broso. Ni Akwatia hu bi da na me de ba Akwatia. Ni Akwatia hu bi da. Ade anana no prayer anana anamafonya no o ma penso. Enti na dia fe na me ba kire ne metimi ma yoma obia eyewe. Usha Akwatia ne yenye district. Baba Jama penso na edi district ba Akwatia. Akwatia district assembly ko one of the best in Ghana. And now Akwatia nyansio for the first time in the Akwatia parliament, my parliament approved $165 million water project. My Akwatia or Dani Groba Kweka home. Me no kati Akwatia suna Baba Jama me call Teki call pre the buyer no. Akwatia for no and we are going to drink the water for the next 41 years. Secondary school
41 years.
41 years, and you best no Akwatia, and starting a problems. 41 years. Men who can say, no, Bibi, you were bar, NDC, pencil, and me, Empia, a dear Akwatia. Men who can say, secondary school, Fufro Chow, Takrasi. I first batch of students, or make Chama, a Ubiama. Takrasi. Akwatia Katakra, Nami, see second secondary school. Na fofie na Antwata. The free wabetin there, not even one block has been added. Uba Akwatia kwaya ye ne amino kasi na Akwatia kwaya ye nyano NDC apenso a yesensan ho contractor and negusu ekoso Akwatia ni na apenso. Ndi ne wo se ye ma Akwatia na na nsen nkwada na fi Cuba ba no. 221 no. Akwatia kwa won kwada 6 wo.
Akwatia
Ngwa 6. Omo doctors na me adu mo ba be sum o mai maybe aka Akwatia. So ne wo say Baba Jama me yema Akwatia ma yen ne metimi mayo anka mayema na brusa ba fofia Antwata, and I have no regret. I thank Allah for bringing me so far. Because bin mukura ka say gamin dimi name bi Akwatia da. But then I'm not doing my this is assembly about Akwatia. So out of all the this is now a tier, no Akwatia National Health Insurance Headquarters first. And Akwatia for National Health Insurance is only Akwatia.
So what happened to Akwatia Diamond?
So Akwatia Diamonds, the same good intentions now near what the Babokruno. And he say. Because diversity and starting my pencil. Rolling Stone and the Akwatia Diamonds are two diversity. So what am I saying? The first company we know near friend Margie Gold. Rolling Stone pencil now send Margie Gold at the Akwatia. Unfortunately, no, Omentini and a company be a friend of Sapes. Sapes is so G no matter. In some say I was on the pre-war and actually, the BS from South Africa, you know, they are one of the best diamond miners in the world. From South Africa, almost Bruce, and also Anye. And finally, you know, they should now give it to Yanfanko open market, will be open 18 companies bidded for it. 18 companies. 18. So 18 companies no, and the diversity implementation committee. Almost say more, a bedu 10 and a bar 7 and a bar 5. Finally, it was led to 3 companies. One company from Canada, one Ghanaian company, and then one Indian company. So companies means we never cry. Balaji, and then we Canadian company, and then we. So me and Sano. The popular cry from Akwetia people, one can say, let's give it to a local company. So what must say?
Young farmer, a young Cassia this year.
This year, no subetimayo. You make it so that this year, no subetimayo, so betimaya. So the popular cry, in fact, I am for what Akwetia do now, and penny for what Akwetia do now. I
am for 7 now, canoe.
And I'm making them or my name. Means so much of my hamon. Means so much of my ham. I am for Kukudama walk a Kutempotem, Wamaka. And a software, any nibba bra, women not text, they say, young farmer, yeah, I am this year. So at the end of the day, no, the company we need. That when from just one group of companies, a friend Great Consolidated Diamonds Limited, and no. In fact, in the beginning, no, one who said the launching, no, it was very encouraging. The documents on the buyer, Baba Dama Memenka. The diversity implementation committee women count what must there and I mean a member. But I must admit the popular cry and say our local way a company no me so almost beside my opinion. I also express the same opinion. So what must there? I express the same opinion say I'm not going to have a local company. The only thing my local company because not just one group of companies so why you be my and I'm
no correct.
At least what can a baller into gold in Ghana? Our big companies are a viable company. And it's our track record, not also by competing with foreign companies now, or no so. And in fact, Mamin Kanjo, in terms of proposals, no, just one group of companies has the best proposal. Because the idea is that he was going to tell that Diamond, they say, I call deep mine. And the last day warning and say he's going to turn it into farming to employ close to 50,000 people. Our year proposal or year who cost to maybe or year buyer. What did at that time? What am I saying?
Me too.
So the diversity implementation committee with all their experts, whatever, they went and did their own thing and finally proposed we should be giving to recommended that it should be given a just one group of companies. As a government, we were all happy. As a town, we were all happy. You buy or buy or buy no, my baby, you're fine. I'm going to start renovation and not renovate a lot of buildings. GC the Crown, Tama, Aquitania First District Assembly, and main building. All building here, District Assembly, GCD Carpentry Department, and a very innovative home. And I just say, Oma Sorianisa, and I'm a boy.
Correct.
But at a point, I'm say, and Yamana Ankono, senior, because me, I'm not part of the management. Me free Abemu 2016, 3 years in the year, and I'm a boy. At the end of summer started 2011. I started say a year Jumasan Americano, all the department the new excavators, new way now the Gumu.
Okay, so Baba, what's the state now?
And after 2016, we realized that the work that the people promised to do was not going on as it is. You know, they say scraps, the old machines, the only they were selling it off.
Why not Eton? Cronum for another company.
No, the company no. And starting NDC time 2015.
Say Omoton scraps, no.
They were selling the scraps. The old that they go.
I didn't hear.
They are obsolete.
Okay.
I said,
but sometimes not sometimes they take over, no. They say so you be no way.
Now, as at that time, no, according to my information, now make it say. Now, you also Chibia as deposited and what you I'm officially a hand over Wamano. Say what must say? You officially a hand over Wamano. But all the means attend to John Yama on fully on pay for company no fully. Because the company was supposed to pay for $17 million. My information was 17 million, yes.
Enti when we ano shas yet
to no, when you have gra.
Oh, you don't mean it.
When you just about $2 million.
You don't mean it.
That's it. And that was why I made time now or starting to that. And I was the person who raised the alarm.
Babajina, na mo should disappoint you as leaders. Are they?
Oh, no, why? Listen to my story first.
Why say?
Listen to my story first. Won't hear me story, no. So don't conclude.
Mr. Jina, I'm not concluding. I'm saying that Obi SSO 17 million. No, 2 million.
By the arrangement of the diversity implementation.
But by that same arrangement, now would be raise alarm say, hey, untia we cry on what I said
to because me as deputy minister no or MP for the area no. I am not in charge of diversity.
But you are interested. Your interest is extremely high.
Maybe me interest in it. And the role I played and what I did. So then if you are saying so be disappointing and then you can now judge me and say, as MP, did I disappoint in discharging my duties? So it wasn't it. Because as MP, I was not part of mining a ministry. I'm not part of diversity implementing committee. And see, even though it was my government that was in place, but on my hand, you are knowledgeable enough. You may be in government, but certain areas you can't enter that place.
Perfect.
So what must say? In the time of mobile, according to the arrangements, diversity implementing, they were supposed to pay for 2 million as deposit. So what must say? Now, when they enter the yard and realize what is in there now, then they will pay the next. I think that it was like every year, they are supposed to pay. I remember the first 6 months or so, they paid the next $500,000. What am I saying?
Yeah.
So they were to pay it in installment, and they were supposed to use about 5 years or so to finish paying. And so over first year now, that they took over fully in 2014, and we take over fully. It's almost starting now. Scraps. No. I personally approached the board chairman, and the business board chairman said, "Why is this going on?" And the board chairman said, "Because of the quantity of the scraps, no. Baby, for example, 12 planter, the scraps are there." But they need to work there. And it's not no. But according to the agreement, if you have not finished paying, you can't sell even one stone from the place. And I wrote to Diversity Implementation Committee. I wrote to Diversity Implementation Committee to draw the attention to the fact to say, this is what is happening in DCD. I decided to call a stakeholders meeting at my own expense. Me fra him for work with Yena. Me fra so for work with Yena. Me fra workers union only workers nankasa. I'm a share with GCD worker European Club. And I'm fra just one. And then the management team said they should come and explain to us the state of affairs. That was in 2015 or so. And fortunately, also, Jossman as the group chairman any na pamfo ina they all attended the meeting. Akweti ahin any na him we now about meeting na say sub chiefs no tribal chiefs no every Dagoma everybody came to that meeting. All the workers came to that meeting. And they came and explained. And that place I expressed my opinion there. Until somebody maybe know they don't have to sell anything. That was in 2015. 2016, I remember the free so. What am I saying?
I see.
2015. So me as MP, I safeguarded the interests of the people. Me make sure say, who bisa kwete in India? Me make sure say, those one and them almost supposed scrap now no almost on.
Yeah, but to Uncle Bonsoba, me won't crack tell you I'm making country and say probably you have an idea about it. The Edikani dated on the 12th of December 2018 and it's from the Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources and it's addressed to Mr. Enokba. Uni Mr. Enokbano.
I don't know your current MD for the company.
He's still at post.
Yeah, he's supposed to be at post.
Managing Director, Great Consolidated Diamonds Company Limited. And this is it. Notice to remedy breach of mining lease.
Okay.
Notice is hereby given to the Great Consolidated Diamonds Company Limited, GCDCL, has breached the terms of its 6 mining leases that were guaranteed on 31st December 2012 as follows. GCDCL owes the Minerals Commission an amount of $7,705,600 US in accrued mineral rights fees, which is a clear breach of Section 68(1)(a) of the Minerals and Mining Act 2006 at 703. The company has been dormant for 5 years and therefore has not been able to carry out its obligations, including the production of diamonds as required under Section 69(1)(a) of the Minerals and Mining Act, Act 2006 at 703. GCDCL is hereby required to remedy the above-mentioned breaches within 120 days from the date of this notice. Please take note that failure to satisfactorily remedy the breaches within the time specified in this notice will result in the termination of the mining leases. And this is dated on the 12th of December 2018. We are aware of this letter.
I have not seen the letter, but I heard it and I support it fully. In fact, I've commented somewhere say I support, because when the breaches didn't start in 2018, breaches not started around 2015. Then about 5 years. What am I saying?
Yeah.
Because and I raised the alarm. I was instrumental to the extent there, and then almost stop scrap no more turn.
Okay, there's another letter here that says that cancellation of mining leases and is signed by Kwakwa.
That letter I have seen it.
Okay, so the 10th of June 2019, that's when this letter was written.
Yes.
And then the 9th of April 2019, Cardinal Law Group also had this letter that divestiture of Ghana Consolidated Diamonds Company Limited, abrogation of agreement. We act for the Divestiture Implementation Committee. This is to serve you notice that upon your persistent failure to remedy your default in settling your indebtedness arising from the non-payment of the balance of the total consideration due from you for the divestiture of the assets of the above company to you, our client has instructed us to invoke paragraph 13 on the offer letter dated May 6, 2011, which with reference number DIC/119/01 to abrogate all agreements our clients has with you on the subject. Effectively today, and upon your receipt of this notice, all agreements between our client and your company on the subject consequently stand abrogated.
Okay.
As you are aware, your indebtedness in terms of the balance aforesaid as of 31st March 2019 stood at $18,844,000. To deal with surviving matters after the abrogation of all agreements, our client proposes to hold meeting. Okay, that one, let's leave it. But are you aware of this letter too?
Yes, I saw this letter. I saw it, and they have read through it that this has been cancelled. But you see, Oman is an American. Beyond 2016, no, I have very little to do with that place. So what must say? Beyond 2016, no, I can't do much about. In fact, I was not involved in any processes again. That's why I told you, say, I can say the story up to 2016. What I did, how I draw the attention. I call a stakeholders meeting. Me as MP, I did my best.
So Akwatia Diamonds, as we speak now, what's happening there?
Oh, nothing is happening there. Nothing, because there's no work going on. And there are certain unfortunate things that are happening. Say, you know, company no reserves ne fencing bungalows no, and sadly, company no no yesi free hono. Womu leave your man for sale kunkutu. Very sad.
Baba.
That's why
now what you small kind.
Yes.
What's it?
Me no kasa me de mania ko hunyo bi na ka kire me.
What's it?
Company no reserves. Any company no residential areas no. Residential areas na sabi abrofo no no wo mu ye no first one that go dey na to London.
No be this dance you know.
They modeled it on London type of this thing. So after that, and now with a small London. But say no areas now. Abrofunu city adaya kase now. Say to me and use for even mining. You bet me use for a university or some, because that was one of the ideas I made by say we use that place because we wanted to establish a medical school in Akwatia. I had land maybe. So those places could have served as residential places for the students that will come. And then last this year, Chama and Grofuno to Ubakone fear hango. Ubakone fear hango. Yes, this is the problem which is happening in Akwatia today. That is why I'm in support of the Mines Ministry. I'm in support of diversity and implementation to abrogate the contract and take steps to take over the place quickly.
But I was getting to that point. When was the last time I was in Ogbani Dinkomo?
Oh, meaning in Dinkomo Grada.
Are they?
Because after 2016.
It doesn't change the mathematics, but you are interested.
No, after 2016, I'm not in the scheme of affairs.
You are, because we are Akwatia this year.
Me Akwatia this year, but I'm part of the Akwatia Kosoko, so at Marseille. And we have the leadership of the group now. But
you have been an advocate, and I do some people show you.
You see, the moment because Akwatia Kosoko for Graskatia, we have another group who politically came and said, Argentina NBC phone pushes a grofono, and you mean me I'm up for Bacatebia, me in politics na me babe. So what must say? So I have taken the principal position there. Sabi Mesuma Brewa, baby Okotodian Fano. I will not be part of it because me know if me bem says here and I better be me babe politics na ma say about.
But whichever way you look at it, clearly there's an interest. The interest, whether it's political, is because you free ho, is because no, but that's not the issue. The issue here is that you've raised this matter. Once you've raised this matter, why wouldn't you look at it to get to an expected end?
Let's be realistic and practical.
But the realistic aspect is that hold on. Minu and majority of us as Ghanaians. I say pass him stress him. Nyacho mo ya fado do. Ye ko boss penny is stress to pass minim nipa oh yeah. That's why as an advocate, I am getting worried say idea o interest wom, idea o ye kroni this year, idea o nimdie wom. na oya aya hwehan because ene Baba Jamal sebi onye MP sebi onye minister sebi onye but you on our free on common yedi, it has nothing to do with the NDC or the MPP. It's because Akwatia, if you are revival na Akwatia egu a usika wenye nyina no obasa de ahwa de hye ne ho no. So in effect, say one person be trickle down about so it's your responsibility to ensure say Sir Akwatia Diamonds in the same way, it will come to the unexpected end. That's the issue is.
But Omahime, men can't just say I withdraw from Akwatia. And a man can't just say some question in here me. Near me person me chon say. And now me who can say we have a new king as MP. We have
MP in why?
We Honorable Amasi. We have a new district chief executive on who take over Danchambo district. We have mines minister. We have regional ministers. We have assemblymen in the area. Semi MP, I have a locus in the system to be able to forward the thing. But now I can only support from the back.
But are you telling me that a former deputy minister, Eastern Region, former deputy minister for 4 important ministries, a member of parliament, you still see yourself as a normal, you still see yourself, former member, you still see yourself as a normal citizen
I am not a normal citizen, but in this situation, in GCD, no, I cannot play a leadership role.
So clearly, then the regional minister, the DCs, and then the member of parliament, and this current administration, even though through the sector ministry, they are failing us. That's why I say, now then I am where sir.
I cannot talk about that.
That's the challenge.
I can only speak for myself. I've explained to you in my time, near Mayor. I've explained to you, sir, it is through me any stop any attempt to sell all the stuff. I have explained to you, sir, it is through me, and I'm afraid stakeholders meetings and brought the management to come and explain. I have explained to you the awareness and the things that I did as MP during my time. Beyond 2016, I have very little to do. But a better thing, I'm saying, me and Nokbana managing director and say the next thing is that maybe NDC MPP.
And so what? That mentality and so what? When we start doing that, developing where we come from and mother gun and bad problem. Baba Jamal Edian Munyamba Akwatia is not for Baba Jamal alone. It's for Akwatia the Ghana.
That's the issue.
But that should be the understanding.
No, that should be a realistic situation. But the practical and realistic situation on the ground is a different picture.
Well, any Baba, it's better we stop advocating for that change that we are looking for.
No, you don't say that.
No, but clearly,
and I say, me, my buying free one. I buy for Fraba. I buy no necessary, and I said, yes, sir. You also you be your oil. Or pay your support. No, but Jim Churchill, Musana, my family, my children, my catch was say, over a year was 7 minutes in Tempara, ministry being in normal gentleman. My child, Mazin. I was because me, Baba, the moment we got Yenumano. But MP also, DCU also.
What you want the MP was about the one MP? Munk friend man in Kaze, Yaniko.
I don't understand the media. Open maybe the media. DCU MP minister regional the mines minister woman say yo must say yes say my not catch on say this is also my mouth history now also catch on some of the also I can't so better. So what they need to do is to take steps. I am my responsibility. Me sabi I send you a while as a champion. I said also say here I know. Oh, and mine as a former the MP and former minister, no, my time, no, I protected it to a point. One more, no, and then a time they started tones, I say, oh, mututu rough. Because my time won't mean yes, On try crash or best at all, but on that. Try some daddy or I was able to stop them in their tracks. In the meantime, won't mean tongues, I say, what with ya? The Uton GCs are near to do for won't me.
Okay,
but say, I mean, so, and then I mean,
well, Baba, my main case, and young Komoa, Esiwaha, because I'm wondering why could you I'm wondering why could you for your own Timinia era Enoch Banoma Yentimin and Como, but also a bombardier. The suggestion is that Ebeya Embra now one also anchor on side of the story. Well, we'll give them that opportunity anyway. But yeah, fancy her. So the interest now is that Nyoman or Moton or Mojana.
Oh, as far as me, as at the 2016 I'm there, I know they stopped. My cousins say they are, I'm not aware because they say no, I'm not part of the scheme of affairs.
Okay.
And say no, I go beyond that. The animals is saying, "Say no, here Utiwa, but now they now excavators all day too."
Na Baba Sema okay, the entrance was na Yenfanche ministry ni minister any abiding
we have drawn attention.
But what is happening?
I could tell Kosoko, for police war, a co stop them. So what must say? I could tell that young Crofubin so I could hear. One sorry politically say. NBC for the idea to
wow.
So it is not for me to go into me bemwa about politics. Me person me bem. Obianya na there because of bembia we be baby and no kunta batches.
Okay.
And then me free you know. Almost friend me say me na bedroom no me timi ko bedroom ko come na me timi aka. Obianti na me because I have nothing to hide. It is obi so bad I see you no see baby channel. And to me, I could tell something. I can only offer advice, but I can't do much.
Baba Jamal, Deputy Minister, former Member of Parliament, former National Executive member, former BBI, former, but currently, where are they?
You're a lawyer.
Michelle. Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
All right, so Baba Jamal, what is in the Dinko Kama? Fidias, no, Najina, Aquatia Diamond, no, and Sama Hodua, Echo. As I'm there, answer Pesam Yamau. Okay, so you be free and I could try one by some brain. Yaba, paying Pebby Timanima, and Nadia said, Nana Kufuado chain now. No chain is say I told the Shraba no Ghana man paying na or no to a shenase. The two social media boom paying pa make an essential. I will see who need it. Papa Nipa Ubin Timinka Suba, but o presence ne alone. Uni dama crana, one see as I say, and we yell. And our Obama signal was a Montiniana. Azania could break rubber. And so no catch him. Now we are sign language idiot. As Aquaba.
Yeah,
BBI come on.
Patrai. The radio don't BBI come.
Oh, your cousin Bema who Frank come the Bema. Once you enter, you beautiful man, Bema. Your cousin Bema handsome. And I hear their fear their children say, man, as though you're fearful and ugly. But who of February, so they say,
oh, my, send your can I no correct.
But you mean money did so, Yakoba, Yakoma, Yakoba.
All right.
Water gives life. Water is life. Enjoy the pure, refreshing taste of Awake purified drinking water, which comes in a uniquely designed bottle with a lemon green top. Water is your perfect way to stay hydrated. And remember, for every bottle you buy, an amount will be donated to the National Cardiothoracic Center, Ghana. Awake purified drinking water. One for life. For bulk purchase, contact 0262 351 251.
Ebusiafo sa ememu ye den e wo so wo hihye japade a mfaso wo so ni titiriw se nkomo na kofa baabi a obetena ne daache na de a ne no de wo so susu yie pa e wo so ubisa wo ho se e wo ye fe na asomdwe wo ho e ye nnamafo de a baby ana eha ena Polonia City e banko twetwe no so wotina kemu efri adenta simadu mupe wo behia asomdwe bia e ho ne no koso pepepe na sɛnea wosisisisi adan na nsase a wɔtɔn so woyiyi kwan dededede mu kama wotumi ho sɛ ahotɔ ne asomdwie kuro mu pɛɛ ne Apollonia City ma wakwaba ɛyɛ kuro a wahyɛ da akyekyere ama nipa atenaeɛ ɛne nnwuma ahodoɔ bebree nti bere a wosusu fie ho no wobɛtumi adwene adwuma ho ahwɛ nhaw fra Apollonia City sɛsɛ a ɛwɔ 0275 577 577 email nso wɔ hɔ sales@apollonia.com.gh efie a ɔmo esisi ewie ɛne nsase a ɔmo esiesie a wankasa wobɛtumi de esi wo dan ɛne nnwumayɛ bia bebree ɛwɔ hɔ Apollonia City.
Afizi, we biara ye baby an. Yesen, pakpakpa. Yen cerebral cra. Bazunti no over there. Me send Brenanto ko baby tona ma kwe feature. Over there, me kwe feature wa mami fie, wa mami toilet mu. Pakpakpa na ye ko. Manzama ko ye. Keje wan kasa wo toilet ende. For toilet masters wo ubi ai ho na keje woze.
Kremasa, Ghana, so we correct mason pa. And you make us super. Me a super mason and kasa. Because our job no and better. They won't see how beautiful and high quality your work is. That be what them they use believe you. That be why me too. It be only super cement at the use. Cement mu cement. Cement papa. Inti me cries in from because it's super. Because me the super cement and
Super Cement is designed to ensure that your buildings stand strong for generations. Build with Super Cement. Build your dream. Your dream. Build.
Don't cry about a minute num high just 7 Adam 106.3 FM. Ya catch us a Taka Diamond Komono idea yen and then qua now what you be similar cry because we na yes in the Sibreves. The year who need the air to the can candidate as I say ni echo ye as o mine. Well, you better put young Komono or Takwa a dime Aquatia, sorry, Aquatia Diamond says 7 of Brian. Yenyu Abema, Kwajo Bendako, Oko Aquatia Development Authority, no, Association rather, or non a vice president. Aquaba, Kwajo.
Yenua.
Boko.
I read the Adam Nemon Pibo, man.
Aquatia 70 saying.
Aquatia 70, Ayabasa, but Sedania de ma or man penny in the minister, no. So met me Aji company, no, a free Jospon. Any GCDL
I want Jeffrey Muslim na yo da na sa na mo no matu no
and na mo no matu no eye papa chere say emre bi e twam wo ko a na nsi baabi eno na ma Akwatia ye won panyimfo pa nti we decided say ye be pool your resources together nti me ti hai make us obeka say be Kwadwo be nda connect ya by empanyimfo etai eku na chi no and to me say me mra betena hankasa bibia ye discuss it started from last year na ye hwese na company no e ton ne no a na ha
company na untua ne kan wiye no
untua kan wiye na me chance say o kasa kura o share documents a o kan ni mu a be a businessman na ansano bi ni only obi be sign sales and purchase agreement no at least nipa no should pay 50%, but in this case it was just 2.7 10% for commitment fee o share document in mu kura so a utimi hu say no receipts no bank accounts kire say
bibisa
sika no kura yetuai so enti eno na the association ye kan ye ho bom 31st March last year and ye call Congress. Akwatia mai obia kasa o si GCD. Enuano mo na GCD enya den. Ensamra. Monya na mra. Ya na monto a ye gitu mu no. Ene se MP kura enso kan. I mean wayade.
Okay.
Chese o say every time ekuo bi wo adwenase. A omo frɛ no bo anu mo koye na Akwatia ekuo bi ani ho. Inti say ya form dia or support ye or your member.
Okay.
Inti your tete committees, education committee, legal team, and welfare. Na education no na juma. Me no ka say for the first time in our history, Akwatia fo yi yiska e dia sponsor nkwala ye ma omo ye extra classes.
Akwatia de
share pa. Inti eno e wo ho chairman no wo Legon. And some about legal team no so a almost so na ya shase no na esi document we he obi ha ni bi association you to anamon on record eko honorable Baba Jamal ho eko bisa no o say on paper no oni bi ne dia ne say okọ ya say ne okan ya say okọ committee nanim board nanim eko
kanisem
yemfa ma yura Jospon ne GCDL into you need paper ye ko na kwati ahin ho ono so need paper enti no
man ko Jospon no
oh neighbor na say ye pool resources no eno because we need enyina so bi a wontimi nya hwe enti ye mpanifo ye council of elders omo yes okay and ye executive mun ko hwehwe Penin Jospon by the Kanko managing director no because on the work with
yeah
yani ni share in some or kind no say me the two radio so a
bano
oh yes
na enyense machine cry
yenye cat and mouse business. Hey. How can a managing director tell us
but the na also to me cast ma kan
oh ya no kra me president na ko Dr. Amuzu Otiase.
No, two nanum two cars.
Oh yes, and no crama penny nibufu ya no cars ya mahama me ye cat and mouse business. Enti
ya na nyina so say no hum say na mo ye mofra bia na.
Emisa. Ba onu ankasa no o company nim ye yi no 20 years when ya adwuma bia anye wo ba bia as an engineer. Ana ya san kofa no de na be sa company nim. Na so a credit a very good engineer after 20 years. Anka when ya adwuma bia ye wo company bia mu if he is good. What you say? It's a ban as an executive Yakobo Mama, Council of Elders. Almost no, Monko Yura Jospon Nankasaho. Afiba Kuni, Yanin any problem. Afiba Kuni, ya secretary, general secretary, echo through ne processing na sene amenoti hani yanin beshia. Because near Pessia who problems or war. Na yanen atanasi who quine pa. Yebefaso. Na company no san your car no. On betting aye. The proposals in say $100 million every year. Be on by investing $20 million. Omo be aquaculture, high tech, agri, and some can see the omo kebi. But ninja dano ya tenase no natural say. Yeah, ushi. Name mon property say wahono na company ni ya den eton. On match ya mean. Free abrofo ni hipu ye nyina
matwere nyina
ni nyina lista e wo ho a ye ma omo because omo tu a in the documents $2.7 million ena ye mo omo baako 4 residential properties but they took over the hospital everything I just say bibia ase eno na ma association ni say yantena ho Massa de no encoso. And command bed the emphasia and twaso oyasa pedo ya nefin. Baby adia be do no. Yeah. You ra ba ye be kono week mu. No problem. You ra just point be pray on week mu. No problem. Tinyame de chair na si share next week. Yeah. Asembia ni hobi na say ye ni afanu ni nyina share din komo wi. Ene dia ba mu nkrata na yakenkan. Sa. Kan name ra shebedwe ni ne din komo. Eastern Region Minister current obeba so say ne din komo. Na MP so wo so ene amase honorable. Ono so ne kasa. Na just point to the nchiri mu aba. Na ba no so abekere cat and mouse no. Emu. Na cat and mouse na o purchasing. Man dia jamo no kwa na ti ase ba se me ti ase so ye nchendi. But I mean, we are very intelligent people. We have integrity to protect. Me tell me your this year.
Ntika ncheni no baya na ke bibia to atwa.
Ai, but ye nhwe akwatia ye nyina ye do akwatia. Enti ye da na do ni na bias.
Na na ncheni.
Oh, there be me chadi a me sese ba bia madui. Me nchiri ma eba no. Eyo mai ade. Ye nchiri ma eba no na sese ye prema wom. No mutimi ko school eba beso mu ye free abrofo time and yesisi oman kro ya neti yesase ye to aso amekosa da bi yesase ye boa sese amene wo ka sei akwatiafo magu ho a ebi ye doctors ebi ye engineers ebi ye plumbers drivers company no ansa na aban de be ma no na nipa 1,400 ne wom. Wow. Inti Saudi imagine say ye tu obi a 500 cedis kra. Nsusu e ba kwati ye kru.
Ebesia.
So
Kojo Obendako, Yadasi, Mr. President, Echewa. Na chensi atuso. Kojo ba ya semhia.
Meda yewra asomatre mi ase.
Okay, wotu anamompa.
Wetu anamompa.
Okay, me ko mu no.
Ana me no ka say enra signal yenya ni say company na start e ko gigi sika edan to.
Ewo he.
Ewo akwatia. So enkrofo etiti edan ni
mo fambra kwanso na montimi stop for mo fambra kwanso
nti ya da banse ya da banse be
ebesia yeso da se bibire so agebra wo so ne ya bedin komo na me adma next week ma brenya bre on se tigo se gina kwanso no ejeso am do teme be ha adwen pa well ma men kenkan we so ma na hunu se na me adma next week ye to asa akwatia diamond komo ne ye to so rekojo benda ko akwatia